Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Good morning. Right now, currently here, it is 5 o'clock in the morning. I am super tired, but I have a full day of fun stuff ahead of me, and you guys love it when I try more affordable makeup products. So recently, I came across these concealers right here by L'Oreal. They are called the Infallible More Than Concealer concealers. These are $12.99, and they have a bunch of claims that we'll get to later on in this video. But in today's video, we are really going to put these to the test. You guys know that my heart lies with Jouer's Essential High Coverage Concealer. It's like that bitch. It's like that girl. It's like everyone wants to be like her. I'm excited to see how this compares to that and where it ranks up on my favorite list. So today, I'm gonna be trying a couple of bargain products out and seeing if I actually like them. So let's go. All right, let's get to it. Now, first of all, thumbs up this video if you love a good, affordable makeup product. I have two of the L'Oreal, and I don't know if it's Infallible or Infallible More Than Concealer concealers. I have two colors right here, 320 Porcelain and 324 Oatmeal. Let's look up some of these claims. So it says shape, cover, and contour. A full coverage concealer.
Be unstoppable.
Experience full-on coverage and full face wear for up to 24 hours. Wow. Our waterproof, non-greasy formula won't transfer, fade, or flake, so your full coverage look is locked in all day. All right, those are claims that sound like makeup heaven to me. Oh, stuff like this just gets me so excited. I'm like, full coverage? Yes. Waterproof? Yes. Non-fade, non-transfer? What? Yes. You guys know that this combination right here for primer will keep my makeup looking flawless all day. So I feel like it's just fair to use it today as well. Huda Beauty Nymph in Luna and Hydro Grip by Milk together are a dream team. Oh, and by the way, I do want to let you know that there will be a crazy giveaway at the end of this video. Yes. Before we get to the fun stuff, which is the concealer, first we have to go in with foundation. And today I am using the Cover FX Power Play. Do you want a drink? No, thanks for asking. Ooh, nah. Okay, I can't be the only one who can only do their makeup in like a small, tiny mirror. For me, I can get so close to my skin and make sure that everything is like blended in perfectly. And I feel like I do such more of like a neat makeup job when I have like a really tiny hand mirror, like keeping me close to the facts and closer to reality than a big one. So, all right, here we go. So the entire reason why I have such a like darkish color for my skin tone is because I like warming up my under eyes and then lightening them up a bit more to really conceal my dark circles. So first I'm going in with 324 Oatmeal. Ooh, wow. Oh my God, that is like as big as like Shape Tape, like the applicator. And I'm just gonna put some on. It smells, it definitely has a scent. It's like this flowery sort of like paint smell. It definitely has this makeup-y painty smell, but it's like L'Oreal was like, let's add some flowers to it to like hide that. Upon first application, I can already feel like it's kind of thick and full. Like, I like what I'm feeling so far. It feels like it's rich in coverage. It feels like it's really hugging my skin. I can already tell that it's kind of oxidizing on me, so that's a little alarming since I already went with a bit of a deeper shade anyway. Okay, it feels like it's rich and hugging the skin. Now let's find out how it blends out. Oh, wow. Okay. Nose. Oh wow, okay, yeah, that has amazing coverage. Oh wow. Under eyes, let's go. The moment of truth. I always start towards the lower portion to get that flawless first. Then I move up towards underneath my eye. I look away and I get it right up to my lash line. And, oh my God. Oh my God, that's good. Oh, holy crap. Okay, so coverage-wise, this is absolutely insane. And I will go as far as saying that I feel like coverage-wise, It is very near to my Jouer. I feel like out of all the concealers that I love, this is the most matte. It's not accentuating any dry parts so far. It is oxidizing a little bit. Now, after that, let's go in with the lighter shade to highlight a bit. All right, 320 Porcelain, you're up, and that is a whole lot lighter. Oh wow, like a whole lot lighter. I'm just gonna put this under my eyes and on my nose. Get that nose first. Oh my God. That is such a gorgeous light shade. Oh, I can actually highlight my skin using drugstore makeup. What is happening? Okay, here we go. Let's bounce that in. Let's see how that is so light. Oh my God, I'm shocked. It is hugging the skin beautifully. It is not making anything look more dry. It is not making any pores look bigger. So far, this is really, really good, guys. Now quickly setting that using my Fenty loose powder and butter. Okay, the Fenty powder too is working beautifully over top of it. Now, one of my favorite tricks, of course, is to put some concealer on, kind of let it dry in for a little bit to make it like get more coverage. You don't want to do that with this. This already has so much coverage, but also I don't think you have enough playtime to really let it sit there and get matte, because it already is such a matte, sort of drier concealer anyway, so you want to be careful about that. I also didn't think it necessarily creased a lot. I feel like I had quite some time before it started settling into the fine lines underneath my eyes, which any concealer on planet Earth does for me, but this one had a little bit more room to play with when it comes to, you know, setting that in time. I am excited. We're off to a good start. You know, drugstore concealers claim they are all that, but once you actually play with them, they are not even close to all that. And this so far is, you know, keeping up to their claims. Of course, we're gonna find out if it's, you know, waterproof and if it stays on for hours, but so far, good makeup day. Good makeup day. All right, so the whole shebang of makeup is on my face right now, and I'm just gonna finish off with a bit of gloss. This is by Boutique. This is called Deep Dimension, and it looks stunning. Oh my God, it's blue. Oh my God. Okay, so I don't know if blue is like the mood for, well, why not? And then because literally everyone has been talking about this, the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face. It is time for me to finally try it out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh, that smells like a grandma. Woo, that is really intense. I still smell it. It kind of smells like a luxurious old lady. It definitely feels very matte and like it's grabbing my skin. It's like we're keeping on to this for the entire day. So that is my face completed using the Infallible More Than a Concealer by L'Oreal, and my face completed with the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face. For anyone interested, this is what the face looks like after I'm done with everything. I feel like where it's on my nose, where it's on my chin, and where it's on my forehead, it looks flawless. Yeah, when I look at my face, I don't see it like exaggerating any pores or dry parts of my face. So far, really good. All right, guys, so it is now 10 o'clock. I've had this mixture on since 7 o'clock this morning, and I'm actually about to leave to go to Amsterdam because some of you may not know that I am huge. I am a huge bag collector. I love bags, and I think they are such an incredible investment. Like, it's smarter to invest in some bags than houses nowadays. So today is actually the day where Chanel is launching their brand new collection. So I'm gonna go to Amsterdam right now to check it out and take you with me. And also for today's giveaway, I need to go to the Chanel store because I need to grab a couple of items for the actual giveaway. I did not have to go that hard with the rhinestones on a fine Tuesday morning, but I am, because I can. Yes, yes. All right, guys, I am back. I even changed clothing. I am super, super impressed. I don't feel like I'm super, super oily. I don't feel like things are running down. Not a whole lot of darkness has come back up from the concealer. Of course, my lips are a mess, but I am very, very impressed. I think this still looks amazing, and this is one of the better makeup days I've had in a while. I think the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer is amazing. For $12.99, you get an amazing full coverage dream of a product that is matte but doesn't look cakey or cracked onto the skin. It stays looking beautiful throughout the day. I think it covers darkness beautifully. Of course, I didn't test the 24-hour claim, but it didn't fade. It didn't look crusty. It didn't look weird. I feel like it's a very good makeup day for me, and I don't look as shiny as I normally do. Now, maybe the Boss Face by Huda Beauty helped in that a little bit, but that smell stayed with me for at least 4 hours. I mean, all the stores I went to and even people recognizing me on the streets were like, your skin looks amazing. And one of my favorite comments I get is that people in real life are like, oh wow, your skin actually is really good, because people feel like I Facetune it a lot, and then they're like, oh wow, you actually do have amazing skin. So I think this is a beautiful concealer, and if I'm being very, very honest, I think this is in my top 5, maybe top 3 favorite concealers in my collection, and that is a high, hefty claim. So yeah, if you're looking for an affordable drugstore concealer that is really gonna give you that full coverage fantasy, I believe we have found our winner. So without any further ado, let's go on to today's Dutch word of the day, plus my giveaway. In my previous video, the Dutch word of the day was for show, voorstelling, and here is the winner. As for today's Dutch word of the day, I wanted to give you the word for drugstore. So anytime you can be like, hey, where can I buy the nearest drugstore makeup around here? Here you go. Drogisterij. Drogisterij. Excuse me, where can I find the nearest drogisterij makeup around here? Someone? As always, if you want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is leave a comment down below featuring the Dutch word of the day, or leave a video response on Instagram under the hashtag Dutch word of the day, and that also enters you into today's giveaway. So as you saw, I spent a couple of hours this morning at the Chanel store, and I got some amazing, amazing purchases, but I also had to get something for you. So I fell in love with this bag right here.
Yes. Yes.
So if you like this video, if you are subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment down below featuring the Dutch word of the day, as well as your Twitter or Instagram handle so I can contact you, that will enter you into this very special Chanel wallet giveaway. So in here is this little wallet, which is a little sister, a little sibling to the purse that I got, and I have it packed up right here. And one lucky winner will win this Chanel bag, which has the little wallet. And I thought this was an amazing gift on such a special day with the new collection, and kind of giving you a peek into one of my favorite things to do, which is collect bags and invest. And yeah, so if you want to enter that giveaway, all you have to do is do all the things that I just said. I thank you so much for watching this fun video. I had so much fun doing it. And yeah, we have found another concealer queen at the drugstore. So thank you so much for watching. I love you, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one.